Hey there, how are we all doing? We have a update here on the sat nav, dash cam, reversing cam, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We've got the Google Maps on at the moment, just showing you what it's like. The camera anytime can be on. This is the reversing camera bit. You can split it, this button, so you've got the forward facing, reverse facing. You can put marks on as you for reversing, but I never bother. So you can have this as a full screen or the back one as the full screen. The choice is yours. Back, the sat nav. You can even have sat nav on and then reversing or front camera. So this is this is the Android bit. So this is Android apps, what I can use on the Android: podcast, WhatsApp, weather, so you can have notifications come up on you, tune in, Spotify, listen to music. It's got an FM transmitter, so you set that to what frequency and on your radio, and the quality is superb. It's very good. I'm really impressed with it. Next one up, we've got the brightness. I'll actually brighten it up a bit so you can see I've still got the film on. And then you've got the home screen, what shows you what you're doing, the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the camera is recording at the moment, and the playback, so you can press playback to stop recording while you play back, and then you've got choice at different bits here. So I'm just sat here, and then you can just press play and that's been playing, recorded. You can press the rear camera and same, lock, photo, take a photo of it. All brilliant, fantastic, really good quality, very happy with it. Another thing to go back to Apple Car, get mixed up, getting into the FM transmitter again. So connectivity, so you can, oops, I'm connected, so I can't see. When it's not connected, you've got choice, so you can have big screen and it tells you what's connected to, and that's how you connect your Bluetooth to it. It's very easy, but I'm actually video recording on my phone, so I can't do it at the moment and show you that retrospect. Put in comments below if you want it doing. You've got the clock, but it has a battery in it, but if you haven't got it powered up all the time, the battery will only last about a week, so then you have to reset the battery. But on the other side is from your phone anyway, the time and that, but it's easy to set up. So we can go. So you can't go into the main settings. You only can do that when you're actually not connected. As you see, you've got the on and off button at top. You've got a input from your reversing camera, and you've got a USB-C for the power. Excuse me, because I'm just holding the phone, recording at the same time. I can exit that. No. Back. Right, here we are. So this is the main settings in the system. So you've got recording quality, so you can have HD, lesser ones, and so on. Save space on your card. Should I say there's a SD card what you can put in. Split screen, microphone. It has actually got a speaker built into it as well, and microphone, but I use mostly through the headset system. Screensaver, time and date, very easy to do anyway because it's all in like that and down and up, easy to set anyway. But I'm not in the van all the time, so the power doesn't hold that long. You can set the driving position, reversing stripes, you can format it, your card, factory reset, firmware, and so on. Sometimes it doesn't connect when I first turn it on sometimes, so what I'll do is just actually turn the Bluetooth on my phone on, then off again and on again, and it usually connects like that if it doesn't go connect straight away. But I am very, very happy with this as a system. It's brilliant. This, like I say, I'm in a big Fiat Ducato, so the wire's long enough what comes with it. It's I think it's an L3H2, this one, and the cable was long enough to go to the back, and it's brilliant. I've got it set up so it's just looking straight down, like mine's on my top brake light, so when I'm reversing up to a parked car I can see that this is my bumper, and then I know that's good enough. Like I say, you can have it as whatever format you want, but the quality is fantastic. This symbol at the corner is showing that it's recording. Every so often it does, let's say, need to format card, and it's just one button and it formats it. So that's brilliant. So I do really recommend this, especially in a van like this. I have it on all the time. I definitely recommend it. Anything what you want to know, put in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope this has been helpful to you. It's just, I know years ago they used to put YouTube on, but they've took YouTube off Apple CarPlay. I know you're not supposed to watch YouTube while you're driving, but when you're stationary it'd be nice to watch a bit of YouTube. Alright, thanks a lot. Goodbye.